Welcome to our channel and please subscribe us and press the bell icon for all latest updates.
Hello students, welcome back to my channel GBDAB Math Tutorial. Today we will solve the problem of worksheet number 1 from percentage. Simply we will know the two rules about percentage. One is to make percentage and other is to break percentage. Students, you can see the basic formula of percentage of anything equal to whom to make percentage divided by total quantity into 100. Also, if we want to break percentage of anything, simply we have to do whom to break percentage divided by 100 into total quantity of that particular thing. Okay, students? Students, you can see what percentage is rupees 63 or rupees 90. Here we have to make the percentage 63 out of 90. Okay. So the total quantity is 90 and to whom make percentage is 63. We know that the formula of percentage is equal to whom we want to make percent divided by total quantity into 100. So here we want to make percentage 63. Here total quantity is 90 and we have to multiply with 100. So 0 is cancelled and 9 7 the 63. So here we get the result 70%. We have to make percentage 80 liter of 240 liter. 80 in numerator plus total quantity 240 into 100. 0 0 cancelled and 8 in the 80, 8 is the 24. So we can see 100 divided by 3% equal to 1/3%. Okay. Similarly, we will solve the problem as here 16 in numerator place, total quantity is 250 and multiplied with 100%. Here 0 cancelled, 5 to 25 and 5 to the 10. So here the percentage is 32/5%. Okay, and the percent will be, here we can see that we have to make percentage 200 and total number of quantity is 1 meter. Here we can see that there is a unit centimeter and there is a unit meter. So this is difference from meter. Okay, so we have to make the same unit. That is why we have to convert meter as centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So here we have to make percent 200 centimeter, 200 in numerator place, and here the total quantity is 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 100 centimeter, and we have to multiply with 100. Here 0 0 cancel, so the result is 200%. Here we have to make the percentage of 13 weeks of 1 year. 13 weeks of 1 year. We know that 1 year equal to 52 weeks. So percentage of 13 weeks of 1 year will be 13 by 52 into 100. That is will be 25. So the required percent will be 25%. Okay. To make the same unit, we know that 1 dozen equal to 12 and also one score equal to 20. So the required percentage is 12 and total quantity in denominator place 20 multiplied with 100. 0 cancelled to 6 equal to 60%. Okay. Here the question is, there are 200 trees in an orchard. If 125 of them are apple trees, find the percentage of apple trees. Here the total number of trees 200 and number of apple trees 125. So we have to make percentage of 125 out of 200. Total number of trees equal to 200. Apple trees equal to 125, and we will make 125 as percentage at respect to 200. Okay. So we know that the formula percentage, to whom we want to make by total quantity into 100. Here to whom we want to make percent. We want to make percentage of apple trees. Here the number of apple trees is 125. So we have to put 125. Total quantity we know that 200. 200, and I have to multiply with, that is 100%. 0, double 0 cancelled, and we get the result 125 by 2, that is 125 62 mixed with 1 by 2%. A man earns rupees 12,000 and spends rupees 10,500. If he saves rest of the money, find the percentage of his savings. Total earnings of that man is rupees 12,000 and he spends rupees at. So we have to find the percentage of his savings. Okay. The man earns rupees 12,000. Rupees 12,000. Spends rupees 10,500. So savings will be, we have to subtract 10,500 from 12,000. So 12,000 minus 10,500. 0, 0, 5, 1. Rupees 1,500. We want to make percentage 1,500. So we will 1,500. Here the total quantity will be 12,000 into 100. by 2%. So we have get the result 25 by 2% equal to 25 by 2%. Here the problem is, there are 700 students in a school, out of which 420 are girls. Find the percentage of boys in the school. So total number of students is 700, out of which girls are 420. So we have to get the number of boys in the school. Number of boys equal to 700 minus 420 equal to 0, 8, 4, 5 to 280. So the number of boys equal to 280. We have to transfer it as percentage. We know the formula: 280 divided by total number of students equal to 700 into 100 into the percent. 0, 0, 0, 0 equal to 40%. So the number of percentage of boys in the schools is 40%. Mansi obtained 410 marks out of 500 in her half-yearly examination, while Neha, her friend, got 534 marks out of 600. Number of total marks equal to 500. Mansi obtained equal to 410 marks equal to, so we have to make percentage 410 respect to 500, that is 410 divided by 500 into 100. So percentage equal to 0, 0. So we can see that Mansi obtained 82% marks. Okay. Here, number of total marks equal to 600. Neha obtained 534. We have to make 534 as percentage respect to 600. Okay. So students, in numerator there will be 534 and total number of marks 600 multiplied with 100%. 0, 0, 0 cancel. So the percentage Neha obtained is 89%. We have seen that Mansi obtained 82%. You can see that Neha obtained 89% and her friend Mansi obtained 82%. So the performance of Neha is more better than Mansi. The question is that what is the percentage of prime numbers from 1 to 10? At first we have to know the number of total prime numbers from 1 to 10. We know that the prime numbers are 2, then 3, 5, 7. So 2, 3, 5, 7 are the prime numbers between 1 to 10. Okay. The total number of prime numbers between 1 to 10. So the total number of prime numbers between 1 to 10 is equal to 4. Okay. So we have to make 4 as percentage. 10, we have to make 4 as percentage respect to the total numbers of 10 equal to 10. That is 4 total numbers from 1 to 10 is 10 into 100 equal to 40%.
So students, keep watching my channel. Bye.